Guys, welcome to today's edition. We want to look at ratio and proportion. So today I want to talk about ratio and proportion using the method called the scale factor method. So please pay attention to how I'm going to use this method. It's a different method from the usual method. So we've got this question here which says two business partners, Benji and Alison, divided their total profit in the ratio 3:5. Benji received $2,100. How much did Alison get? So this is how you go about the scale factor method. So you need to write Benji. So in this case, I'm going to say the ratio for Benji would be represented by B. Then the ratio for Alison would be represented by A. So you write that, and then what you write here is what I'm calling the total of everything. So now Benji has a 3 in terms of ratio, then Alison has a 5. All right. So the total of 3 and 5 is 8. So this is how we arrange this. Then you need to ask yourself, saying, what are we sharing? We are sharing some form of money. So let's just write another row here which says profit. Okay. So of the profit that these people are sharing, Benji gets 2,100. So that should go under the column for Benji. So we are going to write 2,100 there. Is the share for Alison known? No, we don't. So we're just going to put a dash there. Is the total money that we are sharing or the profit known? We don't know. So now the scale factor method, which I'm going to say SF, all right, is found by you noticing a column that is complete. So in this case, look at this. We've got Benji's column. This column here is very nice and nicely completed. You can see there is a ratio for Benji and there is the amount that Benji gets. So how do we find the scale factor? The scale factor is found by this number here, which is the amount that Benji gets, or the second column, divided by the ratio. So we are going to say in this case that Benji had 2,100. We divide this by 3. If we do this nicely, we would find that the scale factor gives us 700. And you can see that to move from Benji's amount coming to 2,100, we multiply 3 by 700. Okay, so this 700 is the scale factor. So to find how much Alison got, Alison should be multiplied, Alison's ratio should be multiplied again by 700, which is the scale factor. So we multiply that by 700 to say 5 times 700. All right, if we do that nicely, you would find that it gives you 3,500. So this means that Alison's amount would be $3,500. Okay, and then to find the total, we are going to multiply the ratio, okay, the total ratio times again 700. If you don't want to add their different amounts here, so you're going to say 8 multiplying 700, okay, to give you 5,600. So the total amount that was being shared is 5,600. So this is the method for scale factor, the scale factor method. So the most important thing is writing the different ratios that you've got. So in this case, let's say the ratio for Benji is B, which is 3, and then the ratio for Alison is 5. Then you need to write this thing here which says total. So under the total, you should just write the total of the two ratios that we've got, which is 8. And then you are going to write another column, another row here that is going to talk about what each one of these guys got. So in this case, we know that Benji got 2,100 here. We don't know how much Alison got and how much money was shared under the column for total. So all you need to do is to find the number that someone multiplied by 3 to get to 21. which we are calling the scale factor SF. So if you don't know what that number is, just get this 21 here, okay, 2100, which is 2100, divided by 3, it gives you 700. It means all the terms should be, or all the numbers should be multiplied by 700 to get their share. So it means to move from 5 to what Alison got, you need to multiply this again by 700. It's a very nice method, which then gives you 3,500. If you want the total, you can add 2,100 plus 3,500, but you can as well just multiply this guy by 700 to give you 5,600. So 5,600. So this is a method that is very good, and it's stress free. If you don't want to use that method of no, you add the ratio, then you put what on top, this method is very nice and easy, the scale factor method. So guys, like and share my page on Facebook, or subscribe to my YouTube channel for more examples. And there's 2 more examples coming on ratio and proportion using the scale factor. I'll be using the scale factor because I think it's one of the easiest methods that people have given a blind look. So guys, the question says, how much did Addison get? You just pick from there. I just said, therefore Addison, all right, got $3,500 since we are using dollars. So this is the scale factor, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Math Antenna. Like and share my page. Thank you very much. God bless.